You are not lazy. You are not stupid. You are not unlucky, but you are still stuck. And the worst part, you don't even know why. Every morning you wake up with the same feeling that today will be different, that today you will finally start, but then nothing changes. The day passes, the week passes, and you are still in the same place. Watching others move forward, watching others build the life you wanted, while you sit there waiting for something to change. But here's the truth nobody will say to your face. Nothing is going to change. Not tomorrow, not next week, not next year. Unless you understand one thing, one single thing that separates the people who make it from the people who spend their whole life almost making it. Stay with me, because what you are about to hear, you cannot unhear. Your whole life you were told something. Work hard, stay consistent, believe in yourself, and you tried. You really did, but somehow it never worked, and slowly, quietly, you started believing something dangerous, that maybe success is for certain people who are smarter, luckier, more gifted, and you are just not one of them. That one thought, is the reason you are stuck. Not your circumstances, not your past, not the people around you. That one belief, sitting quietly in the back of your mind, is destroying your life every single day. And the scary part, you don't even notice it happening. You just feel tired. You just feel like giving up. You just feel like maybe this is just how your life is supposed to be, but it is not. It was never supposed to be this way. Here is what nobody explains to you. Your brain has one job, not to make you successful, not to make you happy. Its only job is to keep you safe. And to your brain, safe means familiar. Safe means comfortable. Safe means don't change anything. So every time you try to grow, your brain pulls you back. Every time you try to wake up early, your brain says stay in bed. Every time you try to start something new, your brain says what if you fail? Every time you get close to changing, your brain creates fear, creates doubt, creates 100 reasons why now is not the right time. And you listen. Every single time you listen. Not because you are weak, but because you never knew this was happening. You thought it was you. It was never you. It was a system inside you, working perfectly against everything you want. So here is the real reason 99% never make it. It is not laziness. It is not lack of motivation. They keep trying to change what they do without ever changing who they are. Think about that. Every January, people make the same promises. Wake up earlier, exercise more, work harder, and by February, everything is back to normal. Why? Because they tried to change their actions, but their identity stayed the same. If somewhere inside you, you believe you are a person who quits, you will quit. If somewhere inside you, you believe you are not capable, you will find a way to fail. Every time. This is not motivation. This is not mindset. This is deeper than that. This is about the story you are telling yourself every single day about who you are. And until that story changes, nothing else will. So how do you change it? Not with a morning routine, not with a to-do list, not with another motivational video. You change it with a decision, a real decision. A decision that says, I am no longer that person. The person who waits, the person who almost starts, the person who watches others live while they only dream. That person is gone. And this decision does not happen once. It happens every morning when you want to sleep in, but you don't. It happens every night when you want to quit, but you keep going. It happens in the small moments, the moments nobody sees, the moments that build everything. Because success is not one big moment, it is 1,000 small choices. Most people will watch this video, feel something for a few minutes, and then go back to their old life. That is not a judgment. That is just the pattern. But some people, a small number, will watch this and feel something different, not just inspiration.